Okay, this is for a forum member who's got a question about his 5-speed. I put mine in 5th gear. You can see it here. You can see how this looks. Now, the brass synchro ring cannot move when it's in 5th gear here. It's locked in. Here I am spinning the output shaft. You see everything spins normally. Right now it is in 5th gear, so this gear is locked in. I'm sorry, the reverse is engaged. The reverse is in gear. That's why the main shaft is spinning backwards. Okay. Now I'm going to put it into 5th. You can see how much of that shift insert or engagement dog, whatever you prefer to call it, is showing right here. Okay. You can see that. Okay. And again, I'll put it so now it's in 5th. Now the 5th gear is locked. Put it back in reverse. So there's something on yours, on the forum members. This dog didn't look right, so I'm not sure what's going on. It seemed like this was showing too much. Basically, that hump section should be centered over the spring. That's the way I read it anyway. Okay. Do it one more time. Out of reverse. In the 5th. Okay, more later. Thanks.